What's up, guys, and good morning and welcome to my channel, Philly in the Philippines. If you're checking out my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping in, checking it out. Please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Guys, I'm standing up here on Clark and Fontana. A place called Fontana, or Fontana, however you want to pronounce it. I am here right now at the Fontana Hot Spring Leisure Park. The abandoned hot water or hot springs leisure park. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know, it shut down probably pre-COVID or during COVID, and it's not open anymore. Lut and I had come in here around 2012, I think 2013. We were just dating at the time. We weren't even married when we came up here and went to the water park. We had a good time. It's sad to see something like this happen, but it happened. So anyways, we're gonna go check out the old abandoned water park today. Here was your entrance. I remember coming in here. You paid to come in. I think they had a couple of food places you could eat. I think it was all set up right here. Had a shower room. It's just a shame what happened. Yeah, here was a little restaurant area. I don't see any old prices. It's an old abandoned water park, huh? Even here they had the little fish that used to spit water out as you cruised around the lazy river part, or the lazy, I guess they called it the lazy float, where you sat on the inner tubes and went around. This was a little pool area here for the kids. The Admiral, just abandoned, and I seriously doubt if they'll bring it back. Like I said, you got the new Aqua Planet just, you know, right up the road here, and that's what draws everybody now. Beautiful plants. I mean, you can see the dinosaur, had the old dinosaur theme going on here. Let's go this way. Surprisingly, the water don't stink. It's a shame this will all grow into the ground. Like I said, I can't see anybody coming in here and taking this over. Beautiful flowers. There's ants on there. Nah, they're not the red ants. So they ain't gonna hurt me or bite me. Another pool area there. I think that was the wave pool. Yes, that was the wave pool. Water slide. That was a fun water slide too, man. That thing boogied. Lazy River, there it is. Sign for it over there. Where do I want to go? Yeah, when Lit and I came here, we weren't even married. I was like 2012, 2013. Little areas right there you could sit and hang out and eat. Little nipa huts. Wow, there's a big crow. That's a huge crow up there. Wow. Or a raven. It's got to be a raven. It's two of them. I'm invading their space here. I'm invading their world. The bighorn. I don't think I was allowed on this one because you had to have a partner. There's a lot of ravens in here. Wow. You had to have a partner that kind of weighed the same as you to go on that. And I was a little bit heavier than Lut, so her and I couldn't go on it because of the weight balance. You guys hear them ravens? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there's more. Wow. What's up with that, huh? A raven invasion. Gotta keep my eye out too for snakes here. Can't believe that, man. I've never seen that many ravens in one spot. Kind of creepy, huh? It's like an old haunted park here. You got to keep my eyes down because there are cobras, there are snakes up in this area. Sure, you guys can hear them. I know I'm fascinated with the ravens. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. They ain't ravens, they're this. I don't know. They're pretty big. Look how this is all grown over. Look at this here. I remember coming in here and going on all this stuff here. Man, that's some stank water there. Jeez, look at the pretty flowers. Beautiful looking flowers. See, the water's still left in there. See the slides going down into it. Those are pretty cool looking trees. All grouped up like that. It's like they just walked away from it. Walking into cobwebs. These were pears here that are all grown up now. Let me see. Let me go this way. We jump in the water, right? Look, and there's housing like right there to the right. That is just stank water. But it don't stink. I mean stank, it's just dingy, dirty looking. Go for some water moccasins in there, right? Dragonfly. I don't know, do they have like water moccasins? Yeah, they don't. What am I talking about? I go diving. They do have poisonous water snakes, but they're in the ocean. Now We'll go up this path here on the right. Look at the beautiful flowers. They're just beautiful looking. One time, nothing but laughter and fun in the park. Now, doom and gloom. Seriously, keeping my eyes down. This was you could see a path with the bricks. Now that's all grown up. This wasn't a really huge park, but it was big enough. Back over here to the wave pool again. Used to be seating up in here, little cabanas you could rent, hang out, eat. Not mistaken, I think you could have brought your own food. Yeah, that's it. Didn't run all the time, but when it ran, everybody would run down here to the wave pool and catch the waves and hang out. And just did a big loop around. You think you could bring your own beverages here? There's a little cantina here. They sold grilled fish tilapia, grilled hot dogs, pork barbecue meals, quarter chicken meals, juices. So there it is, guys. The abandoned water park. Right there, wave pool. The abandoned water park. I don't want to go. Go this way. This way I came in. Over there's more dinosaurs. Oh, yeah. No, I don't think I came in this bridge. I think I came in over that bridge. Yeah, on the backside of the captain's, the admiral ship. Dinosaur Island. There it is, guys. The old abandoned water park up here on Clark. All right, guys, so there it is, the old abandoned water park up here on Clark. It's a shame. It's a shame that that it got to this, but I guess out with the old, in with the new, right? With the new water park up the road and this being shut down and now it's not maintained, I guess they're done with it. So anyways, guys, if you're part of that 50% of the people that have that watch my videos but haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a penny, helps me out. So with that being said, guys, we'll talk to you later.